Hey everyone, I'm out checking on some yards today. I'm in this wet, rainy weather that we're having, and I came across something that I wanted to show you. One of the objections that we get in lawn care every once in a while is the cost. There's some people that just don't think it's worth it to pay the money to treat their lawn. It just simply costs too much. Um, and what I want to point out, I'm going to post a picture here of the yard that I'm at, and it's obvious what's going on here. The yard on the right got a pre-emergent back in the fall, and it's weed free. The yard on the left obviously did not get a pre-emergent back in the fall, and it's absolutely full of weeds. But what I want to point out here is the yard on the left desperately needs to be mowed, and it's probably been mowed at least every month, once a month, maybe every 3 weeks throughout the winter months. And its mowing season has basically already started, and it's going to need to be mowed every couple of weeks from now until the growing season starts, whenever it switches to weekly. Whereas the yard on the right that did get the pre-emergent hasn't been mowed all winter, and it won't need to be mowed until the middle or end of March, depending on the weather, whenever the growing season starts. So I just say that it's something to consider when you're considering the cost, when you're weighing the cost of lawn care, whether you're mowing your yard yourself or paying somebody else to do it. If you're spending the time out there yourself to do it, or paying a mowing company to come out and mow, it's much cheaper and makes all the sense in the world to get your applications down so that you don't have to deal with your lawn throughout the winter and early spring months with when it comes to mowing. The yard on the right probably paid 50, $60 back in the fall for that application, and as a result, they didn't have to touch a lawnmower or call their lawn mowing company throughout the winter and even into the early spring. So it makes all the sense in the world. Just want to point that out to you. If you have any questions about that, or if you need our help with anything, let us know. Thanks.